Hello students, I am Dr. Leslie Lewis. I am pediatric subject expert on Manipal MedAce. I teach neonatology for more than 2 decades for postgraduates as well as the undergraduate students. In this platform, we teach the neonatology related to our newborn health, national health policies, the immunization update, common neonatal condition, emergencies. One common saying is there related to a neonatal resuscitation. That slogan which says, give a breath and save a life. Which means that a student, if they know how to give a bag and mask ventilation to a newborn resuscitation, newborn baby, they can successfully resuscitate. In this platform, we teach you 40 hours of a crisp to the point videos, a good handcrafted teaching materials, a good MCQ which is comprehensive, problem-based and analytical. This will help you to prepare for your undergraduate university exams and also to do a good in your postgraduate competitive exams. Log in to Manipal MedAce, learn the subject and wish you all the best.